William Joseph Foley DD. The 20th of June 1931 in Nedlands, Western Australia. The 10th of February 1991 in Perth. An Australian metropolitan bishop, was the 7th Roman Catholic Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Perth, Western Australia, serving from 1983 until his death in 1991. Prior to his election as Archbishop, Foley served as Bishop of Geraldton from 1981 until 1983. Early career: educated by the Christian Brothers at Christian Brothers College, Perth, Foley was ordained a priest by Archbishop Goody in 1954. Aged 23 years, Archbishop of Perth, Foley served as the 4th Archbishop of Perth from 1983 to 1991. Honours: a portrait of the late Archbishop hangs in Foley Hall in the University of Notre Dame, Perth campus, named in his honour in 1993. Foley's family have also established a prize, called the Foley Award in memory of the late Archbishop, given to a student who has made an outstanding contribution to service and to Notre Dame University. A retirement village in the Perth suburb of Hilton is named in honour of Foley, as well as the Foley Centre, a gymnasium complex at Trinity College, Perth. References. Further reading: Winship, John A. 2010. Our Cathedral. A History of St Mary's Cathedral. Perth, Western Australia. Paperback. Perth, Western Australia. Archdiocese of Perth. p. 240. ISBN 9781453755198. External links.